What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we have more Lancer content. I know you guys missed the Lancer, I do as well. Sadly, I haven't been able to shoot as much of it just because she moved to a different house a little while back. So I'm now at my family house, and here's where my Mitsubishi Lancer GT rests. As you can tell, I have my hood popped, I have my battery tender hooked up just because I don't drive the car much. I don't want my battery to die. And her partner in the garage is my brother's Mark V 2020 Supra. As you can tell, both cars are super nasty and dirty. We drove it out in the rain. Usually they sit in the garage, but the one time we took it out on a nice day, supposedly no rain day, it stormed. So yeah, I'm gonna be data logging first just because my tuner sent me a new tune a while back and I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna load up the tune and then take it on a nice little data logging trip. My brother also haven't rode in this car since it was turbocharged. So yeah, he hasn't sat in this car for almost a year, I think. So we're gonna take it for data logging, get some of those data logging clips, and then we're also gonna give the car a nice wash down because both cars are nasty. Go ahead and switch it on. Like I said, I had issues with my battery dying just because I don't drive the car much. And let's go ahead and load up the tune. If you guys have been following my build for a while, you know I'm tuned with Rick with Rallinspired, and we are doing a remote tune with this Tetrix cable. So you hook up this Tetrix cable to the car OBD reader, and then you have a laptop, and pretty much my tuner Rick, he's actually located in California, but he sends me these tunes through email. I load it up and through ECU software, ECU Flash, and then I data log it using EvoScan software, and I send him these data logs, and he kind of tells me if my car's running low, running rich, you know, running good, lean, blah blah blah. So I also have my AEM FU ratio gauge and boost gauge over here as well. So yeah, that's what I'll be using to send my readings over. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up my tune. As you can see, I have a bunch of data logging files that I send my tuner. I always give him a update on how it's running. So I'm gonna load up this tune first, and I'm gonna come around and switch on the car. Switch it to the on position. And come around. I have my laptop hooked up to the Tetrix cable and the OBD reader. I have my tune loaded up over here, so I'm gonna write over the file. So go ahead and write it over. And now that I have my tune all loaded up, I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car, let it idle, warm up for a little bit. Took the Supra out as well to wash. Both cars are filthy, like I said, after not being washed for about a week because it rained. And the green Avery Dennison wrap really pops in the sun. And my camera died. If you guys are wondering why this camera looks a little different, I'm using my phone to record for now. But yeah, Supra parked beside the Lancer. We're gonna wash them down. And the cars are all washed down, so big thank you to our girls both for helping out. Fiance helped me spray down and clean down my Lancer, and my brother's girlfriend Marie helped him out with the Supra as well. So both cars are squeaky clean now. As you can tell, previously it was super dirty. All we did was washed it down, soap it down. We didn't detail it or anything, but yeah, it looks so much cleaner, so much better. Clean wheels, makes me happy. So yeah, we did the data logging. Car runs good, pulls good. It's a little bit hot during summertime, but like I said, all in all, it drives good. Pretty happy. And if you guys want updates on it, like I said, I post on my Instagram much more regularly. Don't worry, this car is here to stay. She's just parked far away from where I live. That's why, like I said, I have the battery tender hooked up just in case.
Several days later.
So we just made it over here, and here's my Mitsubishi Lancer parked beside my brother's Supra. So if you guys saw a few videos back, I moved this car, so it's no longer where I live, it's somewhere else because of a little parking situation. We have her back beside the Supra. So right now we're gonna head over to my buddy Orlando's house. It's about a 45-minute drive, a little bit of a drizzle, but yeah, we'll drive there safe. Cruising there, and brother's leading in the Supra. Really miss driving this car. My fiance is here with me, and she hasn't sat in this car for over a year since it's been turbo. But like I say, it was raining earlier. Now rain kind of stopped, sun's coming out. But yeah, I'm trying to drive there safe. Just got here to my boy Orlando's house. Like I say, his new house. He have his fun cars inside. We have another friend, Sarah, her back Audi S4. We have Min's he used to be back, I think he's back on static now, but his Subaru BRZ. So yeah, and then my car over here. We drove in the rain. Considering we drove in the rain, it's not too bad. Parked here, and then my brother's Supra parked right here as well. Alright, so just made it back home. So pretty much had a good time data logging as well as seeing my brother. We washed down both cars. Washed out my Mitsubishi Lancer as well as my brother's Toyota Supra, as well as this new Chevy truck. You guys saw the Chevrolet Silverado that he picked up recently. That is his new work truck. So yeah, all in all, I had a good time. Like I said, always nice catching up with family, and my car is filthy, so it needed to be washed down. I would say the tune is running pretty good. We had a revised tune, but I haven't been able to see the car. Quite a lot has been going on in the past month. You guys know, SI got into the accident, my RSX got in the accident, and just other personal stuff I was working on. So it's been a busy month. Plus my Lancer has been far away. She no longer lives where I'm living, so I don't get to data log it as often. Like I said, I haven't actually data logged that car in a month, so it's been a while. But I hope you guys like the video. If you do, leave a thumbs up. If you guys like the Lancer videos, leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.